Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off online status in Threads, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off online status in Threads, first open up your Threads app on your phone, and after opening your Threads app guys, you land on this interface, which is the home interface of Threads. And on this interface, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the person or profile icon available for us. Tap on the person or profile icon available for us at the bottom right corner of the screen, and to land over here, which is the profile interface of your Threads account. And on this interface, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there's a two-lined icon available for us just beside the camera icon. Tap on the two-lined icon at the top right corner of the screen, and you land over here. Again, you'll be required to tap on the privacy option over here just below the archive or above the accessibility. Tap on privacy, and you can see the third option over here says online status. Tap on the third option guys. And now, in order to turn off the online status in Threads, currently anyone can view our online status. Now you can see the followers you follow back, and no one. If you want to turn off your online status totally on Threads, tap on no one. But if you want your followers or the followers you follow back to find out you're online, then choose the option accordingly. But in order to turn it off completely, tap on the no one, and then your online status in Threads will be turned off. And with that being said guys, this is how to turn off online status in Threads. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.